ready machine, ready line to shipping out. These two line, one is 1.5 inch, one is 2-inch line is ready for shipping. And this capacity of the line is up to 76 millimeter diameter of the pipe, up to 3 millimeter thickness. You can see the standing pillar, shaft, and the parts, the surface thickness, well machining. This is good for high-speed tube mill line. If any customer interested on this line, we can load within 20 days. If you confirm the size, the roller we prepare, and we finish the line based on your requirement. This is the LOTOS workshop. Once the machine, the line is ready, we put in this workshop and it's easy for loading. You can see the gearbox, all the gearbox made by LOTOS, all well machining, yield excellence relief, and this is here for welding and bow removal. Look at these stations, pillar is all solid pillar without any welding. This is by forged material. Shaft, the pillar, the gearbox, base, everything is in high precision and high quality. This is the general view of the whole line. This line is from left to right and ready for delivery. If you are interested in any tube mill line, please feel free to send me the size, the requirement. We will prepare all the machine, all the parts based on your requirements. And this is the whole view of the line. You can see. Thank you.